I like his legs around. It's like got spring legs, isn't it?
I'll get away from it, Jane, because you'll get into mischief. Jane, come away from it. It'll go up to a lot more mischief. Go back further. Right, just zoom it in. Right, it'll go into a lot more mischief than this. Oh, look. There it goes. Yeah, it's going right underneath it. It's going to bed. Yeah.
That's because you've made it, you see. It's got that human touch, hasn't it?
Bibbos.
Oh, it's come back the other way.
Yeah. You want to see it running up and down the stairs? That's funny.
Does it really, Paul?
Fucking nuts it is.
Yeah, you look at that improvement it's got though, Paul, when you had it. Oh no, I don't. I like to see animals like that. When I let my old parrot out, it's so funny. You said, no, that's not. That fucking cushion's falling. That's why I can't get underneath it. It's sliding.
Oh, it will. It'll get underneath it. Don't worry about that.
You're going to go backwards again. I don't believe it, how it's come on already. Harry says, is it very big now? I said, yeah, she's quite a size now. You'd never believe it, it's like a little pullet. Really, Mum? I said, yeah.
I've got to just got to scrape the fucking chair.
Oi.
And imagine that going into somebody's house who wouldn't let it out. You've got to be shut up all day. No, I don't agree with it. I like it like that.
That's the difference between an imprint and a...
Oh, is that whatever that goes at? Is it Paul? You
Yeah.
can handle it like that? Yeah, that's... Oh, I like to see him out like that, I do. I know when I let Benson out, it's the first thing he does is open all his wings and it must be a wonderful thing. I don't care.
I'll go and get the other one in, but he'll fly. He'll fly around, he will.
Yeah, he'll frighten this one.
No, he won't frighten it. He'll just fly around here and knock them.
Not yell out.
You know, all the ornaments and everything.
Oh, don't even do that, Paul. He's certainly a cocky little fucker, there's no doubt about it.
Oh, he's exactly the same.
Is he really, Paul?
Oh, he is, yeah. You can have her out in the garden, right?
Does that one go loose, what Vinny's got?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Right, and that'll come to you.
Will he really, Paul?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Uh-huh.
Well, they'll make babies together, won't they? Is that the same age as your one, Paul, or a bit older?
Ollie, she's, what, 3 now?
Oh, she's 3, so well. Oh, well.
We've tried putting her with males with her, but she just beats the fuck out of them. She just bullies them. An imprint will bully another bird.
Yeah, obviously.
Right, the 2 imprints together, right, they're exactly the same.
Yeah.
They don't know anything. But an aviary bird, and I put an aviary bird with an imprint, right, and it just won't happen. Nothing will happen.
But that has come on, hasn't it, Paul? You've got to give 100% in. That has come on a dream, that little...
No, he don't. No, he's a fruitcake.
Yeah, but that's better to have them like that and let them have it be all wild and everything, isn't it? It's much better if you can, you know... It made him run. When he got out of the cushion and it fell down so he just couldn't get in there. I do think that's fabulous. I really do. Yes, you can try and get under the hand. Yeah.
It's looking to see what other mischief it can get up to.
Oh, yeah,
yeah,
that's
go on,
what
stop
that's
running.
winding up. See whether you can get next.
He'll go on the top there.
He's thinking what he can get up to. They're very clever, they're working out. Look, he's thinking about it. Now, look, he said, fuck it, I'm going back under there, go to bed. I'll get up later. You see what I can do in you. No, that ain't right. No, that ain't right either. He said, I'm not having it. I'm not having it, he says. I'm going to find out. The little soul, I think it is so sweet.